Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Trust Wallet for DeFi staking on USA networks step by step clearly. Open your Trust Wallet application on your device. Ensure that you have the latest version of Trust Wallet installed. If you haven't done so, create a new wallet or import an existing one. Once your wallet is open, navigate to the dApps or browser tab at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar, enter the DeFi platform URL you wish to use for staking. Once the platform loads, connect your Trust Wallet by selecting the option to connect a wallet if prompted. When connected, review the information provided by the DeFi platform about staking rules and rewards. To stake, locate the token you want to use for staking and ensure you have it available in your wallet. Select the staking option and enter the amount of tokens you wish to stake. Double-check the staking terms, including the duration and any potential fees. After confirming your choices, click on the Stake button to initiate the staking process. You may need to approve the transaction through a pop-up that requests your confirmation. Once the transaction is successfully submitted, you will see a confirmation notification. Keep track of your staked assets and rewards through the same DeFi platform interface in Trust Wallet. To withdraw your staked tokens or rewards, follow the instructions provided by the platform. Always ensure to stay updated with the DeFi platform's guidelines for staking procedures. Review your tokens regularly to monitor performance and make necessary adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.